Hey everybody, it's Jessica Lynn from Jessica Lynn Original Studios, and today I thought, you know what, we went and saw one of the spirit stores at the very beginning. There was still a lot of stuff not out, so I thought, you know what, let's head back again and let's see if they've got more out. And I will tell you, there is a lot more out. There are a bunch of items that I cannot wait to show you. So let's go ahead and visit. Throughout the store, they have a bunch of these animatronics, and to turn them on, you flip the switches now, which is different. Normally, you used to step on the floor pad.
Through the dark woods, I need you tonight. I'm coming for you to give you a fright. Da 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 da.
Now, one of the best tips that I can offer you for a spirit store is if you see a costume you're interested in, be sure you get it early, because a lot of times the stock they have is really what they have. They typically don't do a lot of restocking throughout the season. But the second best tip I can give you is go on your phone, go to the spirit store website. Every time, I've never been there when they haven't done it, there's always been a special coupon that they will not mention to you, not say to you, nothing. But it's available on their website. And when you click on it, it can save, like last year they had some where they were a higher percentage. Right now, because I think it's the beginning of all of this, there was an extra 20% off. So when they don't typically mark stuff on sale at a spirit store, go to the website and get it. Now, there's no, I mean, you could, it's one per person per checkout, so keep that in mind. But it doesn't mean that you couldn't go back multiple times to get the items you want. It doesn't mean, you know, you couldn't have other people. So just keep that in mind, especially in the fact that there's a ton of really cool haunted mansion. Like, okay, if I was at the parks and I went to get this cool pillow, I probably would pay like $50 for it or something. And at the store, it was under $30. So go on the website, get the digital coupon, save another 20% off. I mean, totally the way to go. And they have tons of throw blankets. They have a ton of pillows. I ended up actually getting that one. It's so pretty. I wanted something that wasn't quite so dark. I do have a dog, and we get dog hair on those because they're the fleece. So definitely go and do that. It's way worth it. If you are excited about the Sanderson sisters, I mean, Hocus Pocus 2, we've all been waiting for that since, 1994. 93 is when it came out, so obviously a year later we were all hoping for a second one. That one comes out on Disney Plus September 30th. And I can tell that it is definitely something people are watching for, because the amount of merch for them, way up. So you can see there's blankets, signs, there's even a Binks statue, which is really cool. There's some little weird urn things, these are like stickers to your window, so that'd be really fun for the kids. Really fun, like that looks like a historical sign like you'd see outside of like a building in Massachusetts. You can see there's little potion jars, and then there's just these really beautiful little urns, which is kind of cool because it's their hair, so it's kind of cool. When you turn over to the right, now again, every store is laid out just a little different, but they always have this fun haunted house feel, and then a bunch of animatronics, so it really feels almost like a first haunted house. It's just really exciting to see so much Haunted Mansion. Speaking of Nightmare Before Christmas, which took over the Haunted Mansion in Disney California, we've made that wreath before, not in that sort of sense, but actually with a real wreath. So I'll link that down below if you guys are interested. And don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. There's a little red icon over on the right hand side. It really means a lot to us. It lets other people that are interested in our videos know that you're interested, as well as liking the video. That helps as well. Now, Sanderson sisters, I don't know about the rest of you, but we are going to be doing a big Halloween party kind of thing for that premiere of that movie. It's going to be on Disney Plus on the 30th of September. And so for us, we are going to do like a popcorn themed night. And if you're doing anything similar, there is a ton of Hocus Pocus items. So you could get t-shirts or, you know, hair clips you saw, and then a ton of other things just to make that night kind of fun for the family. Now I think these gargoyles would be really fun to put on the corners of like your house or maybe above your door, you know, not where somebody can knock it over, but it would really just sort of set the theme for your house, you know, make it kind of a medieval castle kind of a thing. They're really cool. Not only did they have a ton of skeletons, but they also have the cats. And I mean, it really just depends on what your theme is for your yard. You know, for many years we've talked about doing some large plywood where we could paint it and make like a haunted mansion theme. But the cool part is that they have a lot of that here for you. Don't forget though, you know, some of the stuff can be very pricey. So we always try to pick our battles, right? Like the tombstones, some of them are amazingly carved, but could you make, you know, an alternative version DIY that maybe doesn't cost quite as much? We're part of a Halloween group on Facebook where there was actually somebody who decided to create tombstones this year out of cement. Cool idea, but can you imagine trying to bring those back and forth in and out of the house? This doll, I can't even. Like, even in the store, I was like, no, that's just too much. Chucky doll, okay, but he looks a little weird. He doesn't look like the normal Chucky doll. There's also a ton of like witch-inspired stuff, and then again, The Nightmare Before Christmas. Back to the, ooh, Madame Leota. Love this. Let's just give that a spin. Too fun. There were, if you can find them, some lanterns for the Haunted Mansion that I had only saw them the one time we went, where it had all the stretching room on the lanterns. I have yet to see that back in stock. So if you go and you see one, worth getting it. A new Pop Funko. It's got the Hocus Pocus ladies up on stage singing that they put a spell on you. So that's a new one. They change it out every year and it seems to kind of be their running theme. Again, this is when you first walk in. A lot of the stores have that, so if you have little kids, you may want to think twice before you take them in there, because it could be a little scary for some of the little ones. But it's really fun because it's a great first sort of introduction to what a haunted house could be like. Obviously, it's during the day, it's open air, you can see everything, it's bright, it's not dark. But my youngest still had a little problem with one of the characters. So, well, I hope that you enjoyed this trip out to Spirit. It was really nice to just get a little more of a Halloween fix now that more stuff is starting to show up in their store. Again, my name is Jessica Lynn. I am the owner of JessicaLynnOriginal.com, here our YouTube channel, which is Jessica Lynn Original Studios. I thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. It means the world to me. If you just click on that little picture, I'm giving you a thumbs up. It'll give you the option to subscribe. Thank you again, and have a great day.